When tenants report a maintenance issue, the response can sometimes feel slow or unclear. But from a landlord's perspective, deciding what to fix and when involves balancing several factors. Most of that decision-making happens behind the scenes, which is why it isn't always obvious to tenants. The first thing landlords usually assess is safety. Issues involving gas, electrics, flooding, or loss of essential services are prioritised immediately. Next comes the risk of further damage. Some problems may not be urgent right now, but can worsen over time if left unresolved. Landlords also consider responsibility and cause. Normal wear and tear is handled differently from damage or misuse, and system failures are treated differently from tenant-caused issues. Practical constraints also play a role. Access availability, contractor schedules, parts, and approvals can all affect timing. This doesn't mean issues are being ignored. It means they're being managed within real-world limits. Clear communication makes a big difference here. When tenants understand what's happening and why, frustration drops and expectations stay realistic. Clear systems help everyone. They lead to fewer disputes, faster resolutions, and calmer landlord-as-tenant relationships.